third consecutive year, Prairie View A&M University's KPVU-TV, the Communication Department's student-run television studio, proudly broadcasted live from the Carlton Woods for the Chevron LPGA tournament. Building on our success, we expanded the Golf Media Lab for a second year, an immersive educational initiative where students and community members receive hands-on training in broadcast journalism. KPVU-TV also had the honor of hosting the Wood Field Trip, engaging bright young minds from Yellowstone School and Black Girls Do Engineering. This enriching exchange fostered mentorship, inspiration, and a shared excitement for media and technology. Participants learned the fundamentals of field reporting, interview techniques, camera operation, and live editing using the ATEM production console, equipping them with real-world skills in a professional media environment. It was an unforgettable experience for our visiting students and the KPVU student staff alike. We look forward to continuing this legacy of excellence. See you next year. PV, you know.